Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video for Scrap Diva Designs July release. Thank you Scrap Diva Designs for sending me this package. You could find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com starting July 2nd, and you could also get a 10% discount using my discount code PAJAMAC10. All the details will be listed in the description box below. Let's get started. So there's the Scrap Diva Designs exclusive Homemade Happiness paper collection, and as well as two themes for this July release, the Steamboat Willie, as well as some retro dies. So I'll start with the dies first. And we have the Steamboat Willie boy, and I love how it's layered here, so you can use different papers all at the same time and punch out the Steamboat Willie, and you can layer it with foam as well so that it will be more dimensional and it'll look so amazing. So I really love the set. It's really cool and the size is just wonderful. Then we have the girl version, the Steamboat Willie girl, and I love how it includes the dots for her dress as well. So this is pretty cool. Here we have the Steamboat Willie Memorydex card, and this is really amazing because you can fold this piece upwards and make it into like a little slot that you can put things in, and there's this little polka dot bow that you can also include in there, which is like so neat. And here we have the Steamboat Willie heart hands in a small and a large, and you can also layer these up as well. So neat. And here we have the Steamboat Willie mini album, which you can also make a jelly tote by using Scrap Diva Designs other die set that's called box making strips that you can add to make a jelly tote if you like, or you can just make it into mini album. And so this set includes 2 pages. There's 1 page here, and then the back has another page of dies for this whole set. And here we have the Steamboat Willie Rosette, and the Steamboat Willie Rosette has the smaller one and then the bigger one, and it has these like mouse Steamboat Willie mouse heads on here, which is like really cool, super neat. And then here we have the Steamboat Willie gift box, so cool. And this one, this die set also has 2 pages in it. And here we have the Swirl Doily in 4 sizes, really cool. Includes the stitching and the middle circle piece that you can layer onto the circle doily, swirl doily. And here we have the Converse mini album, which is so cool. Has all these little details that you can add onto the shoe and layer it. And we have here the mini boom box set, which also has 2 pages. It's 3 sizes here, and more details are on the second page. And we have a big, medium, and small size. I just think it's super duper cute. And here we have the boom box, and it's really cool. It has this part maybe like for the middle here, maybe, and all the details that you can add to the boom box, which is really cool. And then we have here the mixtape mini album, which also includes 2 pages as well. So it's really cool. And then this one is the mixtape stamps dies and die set. And the die set is to cut out the words here. And the phrases are sweetheart mix, mixtape love songs, best mix ever, birthday mix, oldies but goodies, happy birthday, hey friend, best friends mix, the perfect mix, birthday jams, you're my jam, and #1 hits. And finally we have this mini record, and there's 2 sizes, a small one and a large one, and includes the records that you can put into the slips, which is really neat. I just like think that's super adorable. And you can put many themes on this And yeah, I just think this is really neat. And let's move on to the paper collection. Scrap Diva Design has an exclusive paper collection for this month. It's called Homemade Happiness, and it's designed by Ideas de Patel, and it's just so beautiful. It's a baking kind of theme, and Scrap Diva Design has a lot of dies that are baking theme, and I'll mention it while we go through this paper collection. So I'll start off with the chipboard sticker set. It's like really cool. It's really adorable as well. So we have here the first page. We have some baking mitts, and Scrap Diva Design has a die for this one. And we have some ice piping kind of for the icing here. And then we have a jar of sugar and a jar of flour and a kettle and a chef's hat. And so Scrap Diva Design has a die for the chef's hat, and we have a whisk here and some more baking utensils and some pretty flowers here. I just love these flowers. Look how pretty they look. And here we have some spoons, some measuring cups maybe. And Scrap Diva Design has measuring spoons, and I really love this chicken. It's so adorable. Just so adorable, this chicken. And so that's the first page, and then we have the second page here and some more beautiful flowers here. And this mixer is Scrap Diva Design has a mini album that's a mixer, and there's also 3 other mixers in various sizes, and I'll show you right now that she has from like the older release. And yeah, I have a video that I'm making for these ones, and so it's like so adorable. So these are like the sizes for the mixers that I made. And so yeah, so there's that mixer, and then this really cute chicken is wearing a apron, and she's like, you know, or the rooster, and she's like kind of like baking stuff. And we have the mixing bowl and an apron and another cute chicken and a baker with the baked chef's hat, and the beautiful flowers and a pot here and more flowers and this beautiful apron as well. Scrap Diva Design has a die for this as well. And let's move on to the ephemera. The ephemera, there's 2 packs, and so let's look at the first pack. So there's 2 of each design, and there's so many, which is so awesome. You can like embellish your projects, your cards, and it looks so great. And so I'll just quickly show you them. So pretty. I just love that. And look at the cake. She's holding onto a cake, and then her arms onto the side. These are like super cool. Like there's some butter here and some more of these picks. So neat. Here's a bag of sugar. It's just so neat. We have some scales here. Heart cakes. Another different type of scale. And here's a pot. So cute. Love this rooster chicken. And there's also this baking tray that's a die as well. So many. Isn't this so cute? The toaster with the toast that has a smiley face and it's like winking with a bow on top of its head. And then we have the homemade happiness. And yeah. We have a jar of sprinkles here. Some more wonderful baking themed ephemera. I just love this spatula. It's like neat. And I love this piping set. So cool. So that's the ephemera pack 1. Let's look at ephemera pack 2. Ephemera pack 2, here we come. And we have here is like mixers, 2 different styles. And we have the apron as well as the chef's hat. And then some beautiful flowers and the cake. And we have some eggs and a different type of mixer here. And a cabinet full of baking equipment. So cute. Cookie jar. Here we're seeing a cake stand, measuring cup, baking tray, sugar and flour. We have a cup here. And we have a charcuterie board, which Scrap Diva Design has a board for this. And as a metal die set. And here's that apron, the little cute chicken or rooster. And we have some beautiful flowers. And the word delicious, because this looks delicious. This cupcake and this like loaf of bread with some icing on top, that looks so delicious. And we have made with love. And another kettle. A jar, which Scrap Diva Design has a metal die set for that. And some more of these. And this cute baking gnome, Scrap Diva Design has a die for this as well. And yeah, it's like really cool. There's some more that and this milk is like really cool. Love that. And let's see what else I haven't shown you. Maybe this measuring cup. Yeah, I think I showed you all of these ones, the doubles. Yep. So pretty. And here's a different cupcake with a cherry on top and a tart little tray and a measuring cup. So that's ephemera pack number 2. And let's move on to the paper collection. Okay. Paper collection is 12 by 12 and we have 24 sheets double-sided. It's really cool. Okay. Take them out of the bag. I can show you. We have this wonderful pattern. Let's flip it, and it's like these eggs and mixer with the whisk and the bowl. And then we have Bake the World a Better Place. We have all these nice phrases that you can use, which is like really nice to have. And then we have these border kind of ones and these cut-aparts, some extra cut-aparts we have here, which is like super duper cute. Like she's like mixing something here. And all these really nice patterns. And then the back looks like this. And then we have this really pretty pattern here with some tags. And these tags are like really cute and adorable and just so delicious looking. We have this pattern here. And we have some cupcakes, which is like super yummy. And this pattern is like good for also like bees as well, the bee theme. I think that'll look cool too. And then we have some aprons here, and then when we turn to the other side, we have these really cool chicken and roosters, or just the roosters, and some of them are wearing aprons, which is like really cute. And we have here another one of those patterns, which also look great with the bees. And these really cool utensils for baking. And then we have these ones here, this really cool pattern here, and the back looks like this. And some mittens. And the back has the gnome with the rolling pin. I believe she also has a rolling pin in that gnome baking die set, so yeah. And then we have this really cool pictures of, you know, the ingredients to make whatever you're baking. And then we have here another really nice pattern, and the back is these beautiful flowers. And here's another one that reminds me of honey. And then here we have some beautiful cakes and ribbons. And finally, we have this really nice pattern, and the back is also some pretty flowers as well. So that's the Scrap Diva Designs exclusive paper collection called Homemade Happiness, and I'll list all the links once they become available on July 2nd. And I also have my discount code PRISGEMIC10. I'll list that also at the description box below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.